Hi, my name is Marian and welcome to Keto Changed My Life. I've been on the ketogenic diet for about a month now and I cannot begin to describe how amazing I feel. I went from feeling extremely exhausted and barely going to the gym for over 2 years to working out 5 days a week and kinda loving it. I'm still working on that part. The amount of mental clarity though that I've gained is insane. I truly haven't been this happy in a long time. So I've worked in the healthcare industry for over 10 years as a pediatric nurse and a healthcare business analyst. And I've seen many people that had given up hope experience a new lease on life doing keto. And that's why I finally decided to join the bandwagon. This channel will be dedicated to motivating anyone who's already on the ketogenic diet or anyone thinking about getting started on keto. I'll be interviewing you, yes you, and you, on your successes, your failures, and everything in between. Because one thing that's really kept me going on this journey is the amazing transformation stories that go beyond just seeing a reduction in the numbers on the scale. People's lives are literally changing every day, guys. One thing I love about the keto community in the short period of time that I've been a part of it is the amount of support we give each other. We're all in this together and I want to pay it forward. My passion has always been helping people improve their lives and their health in general, whether that's working one-on-one with my patients, performing bedside care, or helping improve systems and processes in healthcare as an analyst. That's why keto has resonated so much with me. So what's my ask? If you're on the ketogenic diet and you'd like to share your story, please reach out to me via Facebook, Instagram, or my email. You can find those links provided below this video. The goal of this channel is to get as many transformation stories as possible. So I'd love to share yours. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and stay tuned for weekly content. Please subscribe to my channel for future content. Comment below on your thoughts about keto and share this video with anyone you think would like or would be interested in hearing great transformation stories. Thank you.